Hi there. So I'll be sharing with you quickly 5 things you must take note of before you start creating designs from scratch. Yes, so let's jump right into it. The first thing you must do is to think of your design concept. What this basically means is that you bear the end in mind even before you start. Yes, am I making sense? Okay. Let's say you want to start a design, and of course you will have a clean page, a blank page like this, and the next off is maybe your words. Mine here is focus on progress, so I just want to do like a quick walkthrough of what I will do. So I have focus on progress here, and what the concept I have in mind for this word is that I want to be able to interpret it with both words and images, with both colors and images. So the image I have in mind now is an image of a snail that is climbing a mountain or a hill or something that is steepy, that is high, kind of. So that's just the image that I have, and I want to try to interpret it in such a way that this word would mean, when you look at the image, it will mean that even though a snail moves very slow, I want you to focus on the fact that it is progressing. So that's just the concept that I have in mind for this particular word, for this particular sentence here. So at the end of the day, I am already thinking of the concept even before I start the design. So it's easier for me to know what images to look out for that will help me make my design beautiful. Yes, so I would go right now and show you what my end result looks like. Yeah, so with that concept in mind, like I said, this is exactly what I'll be able to come up with. Yes, so I guess you understand what it means to have a concept in mind. Yes, so this is focus on progress, and this is the snail I talked about, of how I couldn't get a picture of a mountain, but I could get something that looks like something is progressing. So that is how I was able to come up with this simple yet a design that can pass the information of the concept that I had in mind. So the second thing you want to take note of is to choose your brand colors. Of course, you can't design without colors, right? So you choose your brand colors, and bear in mind that colors have meanings. They have their interpretations. So before choosing any color, make sure that it is in line with your business. Yes, I'm assuming I'm speaking to a business owner right now. Make sure the color you are choosing is in line with your business, as something that represents your business. Yes. And the third point is choose your brand fonts. Yes, just like colors have meaning, fonts also do have meaning. Yes, we have feminine fonts, we have masculine fonts. So if you are a feminine brand, you should stick with fonts that are more feminine and all. Yes, so take note of this third point as well. It's very important. The fourth point is use images only when necessary. Yes, you'll notice that most of my designs are without images. Yes, it's intentional because I want everybody that is reading my text to focus on the message that I have to pass across, and also because I sell products, so I just want to make sure that you focus on my product whenever I post them, and also focus on the message whenever I want to pass a message across in form of graphics. So I hope you understand. I also have a design page. I'll show you. If you take a look at my design page here, you will notice that I used a combination of images and text very well. See, I use images and text. I use images and text. Everywhere you see images, you will see a little bit of text, and the image just goes to explain more on what the message I'm trying to pass across is about. Yes, you see more of images and text. Yes, so that is if you must put an image, let it be interpreting your message. Let it not just be there wasting space. Yes, let it be there interpreting what your text is about. Yes, please take notes. Yeah, the last point on my list here is structure and hierarchy. So what do I mean by this? Is big grammar. What this basically means is that your design should have structure, like just the way you are looking at this design right now. There is tutorial by the side. There is free accessories down by the left. That is the structure that I have given to this design. So hierarchy also means that there are some font sizes that are bold. There are some that are tiny. I'm very, very intentional about it. I make some bold because I want those ones to catch your attention first. I want you to read those ones first. If you just stumbled on this page for the first time, I bet you would first read the bold font. You will read structure and hierarchy, then you will move on to read point 5, then you move on to read tutorial, then lastly you will read free accessories. Yes, so that's just what structure and hierarchy helps you do. It helps you focus, make your reader focus on what you want them to focus first. You are the one that is now ordering them indirectly with your positioning and also with your font sizes. Yes, so that's all I have to share in this video. I'll see you in my next video.